By the end of this video, you will know how you can make working from home fun, really fun. You will also learn how you can extend it to your coworkers to multiply the fun. My name is Johan Peterson and I'm a senior director in the video games industry. I have a career of more than 25 years behind me, and today I will talk about a topic that I know will make you have tons more fun working from home. Many of us have spent a lot of time and will keep spending a lot of time working from home in the future. So finding ways of making work from home more fun is exceedingly important. So today I thought we'd talk about gamifying work from home. We'll talk about how you can use techniques from the world of gaming to make your day-to-day working from home way more fun and engaging. We'll dive straight in and we'll talk about this in 3 parts. Part 1 is how you set up a good working environment at home. This is the foundation for having fun working from home. If you don't have a good working environment, it will be hard for you to enjoy working from home. Part 2 is how you can actually gamify your workday. And last but not least, part 3 runs you through a number of things you can do to have fun with your coworkers. Let's get into it. Part 1, working from home environment. Putting a bit of thought and effort into your home workplace is way more important than you may think. Not only will it keep you healthy and avoid any long-term injuries, it will also set the foundation for you to enjoy your workday. Before anything else, you need to find the right spot for your workspace. The smaller your apartment, the more limited you will be in your options. Still try to find a dedicated space meant for work only, to help separate work and home. I recommend you try staying away from the bedroom, as that's meant to be the place for calm and relaxation. Unfortunately for me, the bedroom was the only option. Make sure the lighting is as good as possible. Near a window is ideal, as you will get a lot of natural light. Also try to stay close to a power outlet to avoid having cables run through the room. And try to decorate your workspace a bit to make it as inviting to work at as possible. You will be spending a lot of time at your workspace, so try to invest in ergonomic furniture. Even though it's expensive, it's a great investment in your long-term health. If you can afford things as a standing desk, that's a great option, as you want to avoid sitting all day. If you can't afford one right now, try finding another space in your house where you can stand at times to break up your day. You also want to invest in proper tools and technology. Get a fast, powerful router as well as great internet service to avoid connectivity issues. Get yourself a solid PC, again to make sure that technology does not limit your productivity. Other things you might want to consider are a docking station for fast and easy connectivity if you're using a laptop, a good headset and mic for all video calls, an ergonomic mouse and keyboard, and a good cloud service for backups. To ensure you keep a good work-life balance, set up working hours for yourself. Then keep those hours and turn off email notifications outside those hours. Same goes for Slack, Zoom, Teams, or other work-related notifications. I made a video recently on how you can become hyper-productive working from home. This will even make you some time back. I will leave a link to that video down in the description. Part 2, gamifying your workday. While gamification may sound like something you're doing for fun, it's actually a way for you to work smarter. The biggest benefit though, in my book, is that it will make your day-to-day work a lot more fun. The idea behind gamification is that you turn regular work into mini-games, with the caveat that the same type of mini-games won't work for everyone. So you will have to try different things to see what works for you. Gamification works because we want to enjoy what we're doing and we want to get recognized for what we do. Positive rewards triggers dopamine, and that motivates us to go after that reward again. The main benefit is that we tend to work smarter to reach the end goal rather than harder and longer. And again, we will have more fun while we do the work. So how do we actually gamify our workday? Some employers offer complete solutions for this with gamifying tasks, rewards, and badges. This is usually offered through web and app implementations. If your employer does not offer something like this, there are two approaches you can take. The first approach is to sign up for one of the many gamification platforms out there. Some of them allow you to compete with others, so including your immediate team at work is a fun idea. Just remember, not all types of gamifications work for everyone, so try a few different types before you commit. Simply search your app store for gamification apps to get you started. The second approach would be for you to set up your own game system. One example could be you assign a point system to the tasks you're working on. Maybe a system where you assign bigger points to bigger tasks. Measure yourself week over week to compete with yourself. And allow yourself a reward as you reach a certain amount of points. If you like this video so far, please leave a like, it helps me tremendously. Part 3. Remote fun with coworkers. To add to the fun with the whole team, put in that little extra effort to set up events and spice up your meetings. Let me give you some examples that you can of course customize to your needs. Showcase your workspace once you set it up and decorated it. Compete with your coworkers on the messiest, the tidiest, or the most inspiring workspace. Introduce your kids or pets. Make a point of introducing them to your coworkers. Give your coworkers a quick tour of the area that you work the most in. Decide on a game that you all can play together over lunch or at some other suitable time. It could be playing board games virtually or playing an accessible online multiplayer game. Set themes for meetings where people have to wear something or showcase something in the background. Eat lunch together over a video call and make a point of talking about anything but work. Decide on a dinner dish and then cook it together with your coworkers over a video call. Have a virtual after work or happy hour at the end of each week. Because it has done wonders for me, I really recommend you to try gamifying your workday. It can really help with your productivity, finding new ways of completing tasks faster and being more effective. More than anything though, it will make working remotely a lot more fun. If you also involve your coworkers, you can multiply this by having fun and competing together. Hold up! Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos that will keep adding value to your career. I drop videos every Tuesday, so make sure you check back in a week. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week.